my lovely friends, welcome to Creative Art. I am Nilima, and in today's tutorial we are going to make this easy and simple glass painting for beginners. In this glass painting friends, I'm going to show you how you can make a very easy and simple drawing into a personal piece or memory of your own. You can use a simple photograph to make a sketch like these ones, or just Google it for yourself. Glass painting is my favorite type, and trust me friends, it's one of the easiest painting that anyone can do. So do watch the complete tutorial to make this easy and simple glass painting for yourself, and do subscribe to Creative Art for more creative art tutorials, and do press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on a recent art form. Now let's check out all the materials we are going to use for this DIY. First of all, for a glass painting, we are going to need Fevicryl glass colors, which are water-based and available in 10 shades. And for base, we are going to use a picture frame of 10 into 15 centimeters because these are easily available as compared to a piece of glass. Next, for reference, I have selected this cute selfie couple in Paris freehand drawing. This time, I'm going to make use of paint brushes instead of directly pouring colors from bottle. So you can see how we can also do glass painting using paintbrush. Next, for securing the sides, I'm going to use a tape, pin and cotton buds to pop out all the bubbles, and napkin to clean our base. List of all these materials will be listed and linked in the description box below, from where you can buy them online. Now let's start the tutorial friends. Now first of all, let's start by taking out this glass piece out of the photo frame, and for that, turn out the photo frame in this way and then straight these black clips, after which you will be able to remove this cardboard support, background paper, and finally here we have got the glass piece. So now we're going to use this glass piece and keep the rest of the pieces for our final part. Now spray some glass cleaner on both the sides of the glass in this way, and then using a tissue paper napkin, clean the glass piece. Now after cleaning the glass piece, place it on the reference exactly where you want it to be. And then using tape, secure all the four sides of the glass piece with your reference and the base you have placed it on. Now I'm using a black glass outliner from Fevicryl. It comes in the pack of 10, and using this glass liner, I'm going to start lining. Lining is a very easy and simple part, and I like to do it in my comfort. So I'm going to do it myself and then show you how does it looks. Okay? After completing the lining part, this is how it looks. For the pink lining, I have used a Fevicryl 3D cone outliner. You can use these liners for small designs and few writings outside the painting part, which will look like this. But for glass painting, always prefer to use glass outliner. Now remove all the four secure tapes and the reference, and place the glass piece on a plain horizontal surface. And now we can start our coloring part, and for that I'm going to use Fevicryl glass colors, which are water based and available in 10 shades. For this painting we are going to use different colors and a combination of yellow, pink and white to make the skin color. This time for painting, we are going to use paint brushes and a palette to pour colors. I have seen some people comfortable using paintbrush, so this time let's try coloring using paintbrush. As it is summer season, we will pour colors one by one in our palette and use one color at a time for coloring. First, start by pouring colors one by one as you need in your palette, and just use one color at a time using your paintbrush. Now before starting the coloring part, place the glass sheet on a plain horizontal surface. Now using a paintbrush, I'm going to gently fill up the colors in this way. Now add the next color. I'm using brown here. As soon as you complete coloring one color using a paintbrush, rinse it in water and then use the next color. Here I'm using brown. Now I'm going to use a red for making small hearts and dots on dress. And for this, I'm going to use my smallest size of brush, just one drop at a time. In the same way, make hearts. Just place a teeny tiny drop and pull it down. Now I'm going to use sea blue color, just a few drops. Then using the same paintbrush, draw a few tiny lines on the dress. Now in the same way, fill all the required colors. Now I'm going to fill in skin color. I'm using white. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of white and take a little bit of black. Mix both the colors. So here we get some milky looking gray color, and this is what I'm going to use for the Eiffel Tower. And now finally for the background, here I have mixed a lot of white with just one drop of pink. Now after completing the background coloring part, this is how it looks. So now friends, we will let it dry completely for at least 24 hours and then I will show you how does it look. Okay? Now after 24 hours, our glass painting is completely dry and this is how beautiful it looks. So now friends, let's frame it. First of all, we have to insert the glass piece or the acrylic sheet on which we have done painting in the glass frame, which will look like this. Then place the white cover sheet, which is this piece, and then finally put the last piece of the frame in this way. And then we have to close the pins like this. Close all the 4 pins. Finally, this is how beautiful our glass painting looks, and you can clearly see there are no air bubbles in this painting. And now finally friends, this is how beautiful our glass painting looks when I have framed it and kept them side by side. And in the same way friends, you can make your own glass painting using your own designs or drawings and decorate them on your tables, shelves or in your home in this way. So friends, do give it a try, make it yourself, and do tell me in the comments below what do you think about this tutorial. And if you do like my tutorials friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.